Financial sector is the backbone of our Indian economy. In this financial sector, there is one particular business that is growing continuously for the last few years. That business is none other than non-lending financial companies. So I've created this presentation to explain about the companies, and also I have discussed one particular stock that is that has immense potential to create wealth in long term. So do like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos in the future. So let's start with the presentation and analysis of that particular sector and stock. So the key players in non-lending financial companies in India are BSE, as we all know. It is the oldest stock exchange in India. Another is CDSL. It is a depository. So BSE and CDSL is associated with the equity market, and these two companies will grow if number of participants in equity market increases in the future. There's and the last one is MCX. It is multi commodity exchange in India. It is a commodity exchange for Indian traders. So in this particular thing, we can trade gold, silver, natural gas, aluminium, anything, any other commodities. So we'll be focusing on these large companies and discussing about the potential this company has to create wealth in the future. So let's start with MCX. So the fundamentals of the company is it is a debt-free companies. It has no borrowings. It has 94% of the market share in India, and it is a sort of monopoly in commodity exchange. So as you can see, in this we can trade any commodities like gold, silver, copper, natural gas. So can it be a multi-bagger in next 10 years, or can it create wealth for its investor? So let's check the potential that this company have in for the next few decades. So I have plotted some of the data based on facts, and everything is verified from the secondary research. So let's start. So as we all know, in US commodity market started in 1840, and the market size is $13,900 million. UK started in 1946, and market size is $9,700 million. But India is just started in 2003, and it is very new market, and the market size is just $2.48 million. So Indian market is very new and in nascent stage, just 19 years old compared to US, which is almost 170 years old. Our market is not even 0.1% of US and UK market. So you can see there is immense growth potential if more and more commodity traders emerges in India. And particularly why I think this particular sector has this particular business has huge potential is so commodities are generally designed commodity contracts are generally designed to hedge the position. So a farmers if is sowing wheat and growing particular crop like wheat or cotton, so he can hedge his position in commodity market. Whereas a biscuit manufacturer, suppose let's take a business, and if I want to buy a wheat in future, so I will be locking my price in future market in commodity, and I will be getting the particular wheat in the particular future date on the expiry date. So this is the major benefit in commodity market, and we are just 0.1% of the we are not even 0.1% of US or UK market. So we have immense potential for next few decades in commodity market, and if commodity market increases, then definitely the MCX will be the major beneficiary of this growth. So let's check the fundamental and technical for investment perspective. So this is I will be first we will be checking fundamentals of the company, and then we will be going to the technical part. So I'm opening so here we have market cap is just 7749 crores. Book value is 278, and price to book value would be around one is to around 5 to 6x of the current book value. And if we check the profit and loss, then the company sale is increasing, the revenue is increases for the company from 2015. You can see the trend here. And also the OPM is more than 20%, and it is around 47% in for 2021. And on an average, if I take, then it will be around 30 to 40% average. Companies paying dividend also, and EPS is also increasing. So as we have said, discussed earlier, that the company has no borrowings, and the company reserves is increasing. Also, if I check the shareholding pattern, then there is no promoter in the company. The company is purely held by FI, DIs, public, and others. And if you see that, so from March 2019, the FIs are increasing stake in this particular company. So it is a good sign for the company in for long term perspective. So let's check some technical part also. So this is the high, all time high for the MCX, and if I, this would be a resistance for the company. So particularly if you see these two lines are the resistance band, and the first band, the company, the price had already closed above this. Now it is retracing back to the resistance level and offering a low risk buying opportunity for investors, and as also for the positional traders. So if anyone is planning for positional buy in this case, then one can start accumulating this, and one can expect a target of. So I will be showing target calculation in this. If I consider this particular high in this, if I consider this particular high, and if I consider this low which it had made, and if I add this above this all-time high resistance, then I will be getting a target of around 30, 28, roughly around 3,000 rupees target. So it is around double of the current price of 1519. So one can buy for a positional trade also for double target. And if anyone want to look for the future for long term perspective, then one can check with the Fibonacci retracement. So I will be removing all the drawings that I have done here, and I will be drawing just a Fibonacci from high to low, because the stock was in downtrend and it was consolidating here. So as we can see, the target can be 2300, 2400, 3850, 5000, 2200, and 6000 rupees. So this can be a target for a long-term investment perspective if any investor is planning to buy. But in this particular stock, I don't look at the technical analysis in great detail, because I am buying for based on the fundamental analysis and also the growth prospect that the stock has. So one can do their own analysis also, and one can plan their trade accordingly, or they can plan their investment also. So this was about the stock, a multi-bagger stock for next few decades, which has a great potential. If you like the content, then definitely you can subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon, so that you get notified of any videos that we upload. And so we have our own Telegram channel, and also the Twitter. On Twitter, you can follow me for any chart or any update on any particular stock or market. In Telegram, I am sharing in-depth analysis of any particular stock or market. So you can join us on Telegram and Twitter. There is a disclaimer with this video also. So we are not SEBI registered, and this video is shared only for educational and study purpose. So consult your financial advisor before taking any trades or investment based on analysis shared in this video. You will be responsible for the profit and loss that you incur on the trade that you take. Thank you, guys.